What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's quite windy today, and I wanted to get a video of this Avanti on a windy day, and I've been waiting for a nice windy day to come through, and here it is, guys. It's kind of funny because the flag isn't moving at all, but right here on the field, it's blistering wind. It's blustery, pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and fly this Avanti in this wind and see how she handles. The point of this video is to show all you beginner pilots out there that choose an Avanti for your first jet, for your first EDF jet that you'll be rolling off the ground. I'm not talking about a hand-tossed jet. I'm talking about your first decently sized aircraft, which would be the Avanti or the L-39 80mm EDFs. I want to show you guys just how well these things handle in the wind. I will have the gyro on it on this flight, but it's turned way down, you guys. It's barely turned up at all. So it's pretty much basically just for landings. The gyro will just keep the plane a little stable while the plane is coming in for a landing. It doesn't really help much during the flight. The plane's basically doing what it would do if it didn't have a gyro in it. But yeah, guys, that's it. I'm Dave, Dave's RC, reminding you to fly free or die. Let's get this Avanti up in the air, guys. Peace. All right, guys, so real quick before we get this Avanti flight started, I was messing around with my settings in my phone, and I found out how to get the phone to shoot in really high def. My phone's shooting in 4K, unless you have, 4K is supported by YouTube. I'm not sure if you have to have YouTube Red or not to use the 4K option. 1080p though, but is something that you'll be able to play this video in. But I want you guys to check out this video and pay close attention to how sharp this video is and how nice this video comes out. Give it some time to load. It's going to take about an hour, and then once an hour goes by, you'll be able to watch it on YouTube in 1080p. At first, when I load it, you're not going to be able to do that. Give it some time and then come back and watch it again in 1080p, and just check out how beautiful this video comes out with a phone. This is a phone camera, not some expensive handheld camcorder. This is a camera phone, and it does an exceptional job at capturing a really clean, crisp picture. Let's get to the flight, guys. I'm out of here. All right, guys, here we go. All right, guys, so there you go. That's an Avanti flight and some pretty gnarly wind. I mean, if you look at these trees, look at the trees over there. I mean, it's blowing, you guys. It really is. And this plane just took it like a champ. I checked my servo, or I checked my gyro real quick, guys, and it's pretty much not even on. It's just a tiny little bit on the ailerons. I wanted to check that before we took off, and I did. Now, you guys, I flew this plane, and then when I came back around and I taxied it down the hill and right here, the battery was completely dead. I hate doing that. It's really not good for your batteries. So I can guarantee you right now, this battery is not, it's going to be pretty dead. .10 volts. That's actually a good thing because at least I didn't damage the cells. Let me check the cells. All right, you guys, so yeah, I brought the batteries all the way down to 3%. That's not good. I'm gonna have to go jump start this battery on the charger real quick to make sure that we don't mess it up. She got kind of puffy on me. This is the battery that was in the crash of the Sky Sword, this Turnigy 4000. You guys, so from start to finish when I landed, the video, what did we say it was? 4 minutes and about 32 seconds. Listen, guys, 4 minutes max on a 4000 in the Avanti. And I was flying her pretty good. I had her cruising a few times. Don't kill your batteries, guys. That was really bad. That was a really bad thing for me to do. That was bad practice for me to show you guys that. But if I don't destroy a battery from time to time, then I'm not flying free and dying, bro, or dying. So yeah, we got to blow up a couple batteries once in a while. Boom! I'm just kidding. No, don't do that, you guys. It's not worth it. Batteries aren't cheap. You know, this is I think this is like a $70 or $60 or $70 battery. You really don't want to mess them up, guys. The Avanti, like I said, guys, flies great in this wind. I wanted to show you guys that for all you beginners out there, that the Avanti is probably going to be your best bet for a first EDF jet. Typically, I fly this Avanti on a 5,000 or higher. I just had a couple of 4,000s charged, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to fly it on a 4,000. We'll see what happens. Got to put it a little further forward. She flew absolutely amazing, you guys. So if you guys are in the market for an EDF jet and you want to get out of the hand toss foamies, you want to get out of the 70 mils, and you want to step up to an 80 millimeter jet, this is going to be the best one for you right here, you guys. Although I do love the Avanti, I also love the L39. Either of those two planes will suit you fine as your first EDF jet in an 80 millimeter class. That's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the flight. I'm Dave. This is Dave's RC, reminding you to fly free or die. A couple of shout outs, Jeff's Custom RC, Wreckham Roy's RC, Shadow Ops RC, Pilot Ryan Captain Mike RC YouTube channel, and I think his name is Bobby. I want to give Bobby a shout out. Bobby is the cameraman for Ryan. He hasn't gotten any shout outs yet. I want to go ahead and give you a big shout out, Bobby, for helping out Ryan while Mike's away. Mary Boozer's channel, and I also want you guys to check out Raven Rock RC. Raven Rock RC, Hangar 51. I mean, there's just so many, you guys, that I can't name them off at all the time. I can't name. Deuce is wild. Check out Deuce. Deuce is awesome. He just put up an F-16 video, the new version 2 or version 3 or whatever it is. Version 2, I believe. Real awesome dude. Really good pilot. Check him out, you guys. I'm out of here. Kyle on the camera. Thanks, Kyle. Peace.